MCP IPFS is available across multiple platforms. You can find it on NPM for Node.js integration, Docker Hub for containerized deployment, and GitHub where you can access its complete source code and documentation. For this demonstration, I'll copy the Docker JSON configuration directly from the GitHub repository and paste it into Cursor IDE's MCP settings panel. This will allow our AI assistant to interact with IPFS through the Model Context Protocol. When setting up the Docker configuration, it's essential to map your local project directory using the V flag, ensuring the container can access your files for uploading to IPFS. Now I'll set the w3_login_email environment variable to my Sriracha.network account email, which is required for authentication. With the configuration in place, I'll activate MCP IPFS in the Cursor IDE, enabling our AI assistant to communicate with the Sriracha.network. Let's demonstrate a practical use case by creating a browser game and deploying it to IPFS. I'll instruct the AI assistant to generate a simple game and deploy it to my Web3 space. The assistant checks if I'm authorized to use the storage service through MCP IPFS before proceeding. The assistant executes the w3_login command and prompts me to check my email for confirmation. I'll open my email client and click the authorization link to complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, the assistant lists available IPFS spaces and identifies my Web3 space. It selects this space as the target for deployment and begins uploading the game files. After completion, it provides a unique content identifier or CID that can be used to access the game through any IPFS gateway. Now I'll open the provided CID in a web browser. As you can see, the game loads perfectly, a fully functional shooter game ready to play. Since it's hosted on IPFS, it's completely decentralized and accessible to anyone on the internet with the CID or IPFS link. This game is just one example of what you can do with MCP IPFS. You can also upload research papers, AI-generated images, documents, or any digital content, making it persistently available through the decentralized web.